Hi everyone, it's Laura the Quarantine Gardener on this damp November day, and today I'm going to talk hedging. This is a great time of year to get your hedging because you can get it bare root at the garden centres, which means it's a lot cheaper for you. So here we've planted a native mixed species hedging, so I'll just go through what we have. So we have Rosa rugosa here, the native rose, which is very hardy, grows in basically any soil type, and also is suitable for coastal areas, which is unusual for a rose. Will take salt winds no problem, and again has beautiful scented flowers, quite thorny, so you know it's good from that point of view too as a hedging if you need a barrier type hedge, and also would have beautiful roses, fragrant, comes in white or pink, and beautiful rose hips. And then at the back we have hawthorn, okay, our Crataegus monogyna, which again is a native species and great for biodiversity and for all of the birds. The berries on the hawthorn will be a favourite, okay. So it's mainly hawthorn and Rosa rugosa we have, and then we have the field maple as well, Acer campestre, which is again a native, and that's just showing you along this wall mixed species native planting. So you get them bare root, which means you need to plant them really the day you get them, unless you can keep them covered, you know, with soil or in a plastic bag and watered temporarily till you're going to get them down. But that's the I suppose that's the thing with bare root hedging, is that you need to be ready to put it in, but like I say, cost effective, and usually they have a great root system on them and they take very, very well. So that's the tip for today, everybody. Hope you're all keeping well, keeping the spirits up. Get out in your garden. I know the weather isn't as inviting as it has been in previous days, but it's always good to get out, do a little bit, feel the elements, and you know, feel that reviving of the spirit. Happy gardening, everyone.